Will AI revolutionize my new business in 2025? Let's find out. Join me as I explore whether AI will truly revolutionize my business in 2025. Starting a business today comes with huge challenges: standing out, keeping up with technology, and meeting customer demands. Traditional methods may not be enough to stay ahead. The question is, can AI be the game changer startups need? How AI can transform startups. 1. Automating repetitive tasks. AI frees up entrepreneurs by handling routine work. AI chatbots provide 24/7 support, reduce response times, and improve customer satisfaction. AI data analysis identifies trends, uncovers patterns, and offers insights for smarter decisions. AI marketing automation personalizes customer interactions, predicts buying behavior, and optimizes ad spend. 2. AI in product development. AI accelerates design, prototyping, and testing, leading to better products, analyzing customer feedback to improve features, predicting market trends to refine product offerings. AI-driven recommendations to increase user engagement. 3. AI creates new business models. AI isn't just about efficiency, it enables new revenue streams. AI-powered subscription boxes use machine learning to curate personalized product selections, boosting customer retention and recurring revenue. Real-world AI success. Stitch Fix. Stitch Fix uses AI to personalize fashion recommendations, predict customer purchases, optimize inventory management. The result? A billion-dollar business leveraging AI for customer satisfaction and operational efficiency. AI in business beyond 2025. AI's impact will only grow. Businesses that embrace AI early will be more agile, scalable, and responsive to customer needs. What are your thoughts on AI in business? Drop a comment below and check out my other videos on entrepreneurship and innovation.